Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause a download on your PlayStation 4. So I'm just going to go over to my purchase games here, and I'm going to download something, and I'll show you how to pause it. Now, it gets a little bit confusing because when you go to the game, all it says is the download. So I added this to my download section right now, and you can see it right there. Now it says it cannot download because I don't have enough space. So you're going to go over the game, and it's just going to say pause. You need to go up to where it says notifications, and under here you can actually pause and download it and delete it right here. So you can see Alien right here. Just go to this section. If you go to notifications, you can go to the game, and then you can pause it or cancel it out right there, just like I did to that game. And I have Call of Duty on my PlayStation because it takes up the entire hard drive, so I can't install anything else. So here's an update system software. Just go to that section and you should be good to go, guys. It's just under notifications. Pause it right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.